going to learn about some super yummy fruits. Are you ready to meet our fruity friends? Let's go! First up, we have the apple. Look how red and round it is. Can you say apple? Great job! Apples are crunchy and delicious. Next is the banana. Look at how long and yellow it is. Can you say banana? Awesome! Bananas are sweet and great for snacks. Here comes the orange. It's round and bright orange. Can you say orange? Well done! Oranges are juicy and help keep us healthy. Look at this little fruit. It's a strawberry. It's red with tiny seeds. Can you say strawberry? Yummy! Strawberries are sweet and so much fun to eat. Yum! Now, let's see the grapes. They come in bunches and can be purple or green. Can you say grapes? Great job! Grapes are tiny and tasty. Great! Here's a funny-looking fruit. It's a pineapple. It's yellow and has spiky leaves. Can you say pineapple? Good job! Pineapples are delicious, but did you know that they take a long time to grow? It can take up to 18 to 24 months. Pineapples grow in warm tropical regions, and once they are ready, they are full of vitamin C. And here comes the pear. It's green and shaped like a bell. Can you say pear? Great job! Pears are sweet and soft. They can also be made into pies and put into salads or baby food. It has a green, red, yellow, or brown skin. Great job! Now we have a watermelon. It's big and green on the outside and red inside with seeds. Can you say watermelon? Awesome! Watermelons are refreshing and juicy, with vitamins like vitamin C and A, which are good for your health. Next, we have the mango. It's yellow and orange and super tasty. Can you say mango? Well done! Mangoes can be many different sizes and colors, including yellow, orange, red, and green. Mangoes are sweet and yummy. We learned about apples, bananas, oranges, strawberries, grapes, pineapples, watermelons, pears, and mangoes. Can you name your favorite fruit? Thanks for learning about fruits with us today. Remember to eat lots of colorful fruits for a healthy body. See you next time. Goodbye, little friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning.